Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Palakkad, Kerala. They are inviting application for PhD admission for July 2021 session. There are different important dates which you have to note down. The advertisement will published on had published on 7th of April 2021. Application started on 9th April, last date is 4th May. Then they will publish the shortlisted candidate result on or before 25th May. Then one SOP you have to submit before 30 May. The interview will be conducted between June 7 to June 28. Then shortlisted candidate result selected candidate list will published on July 8. Last date to issue admission letter July 15, and then after that they have not given the date of admission, but it will be announced later. Application fee: general OBC non-creamy layer EWS male candidate 100, general OBC non-creamy layer EWS female candidate 50, SC ST and PWD candidate 50. The application fee is non-refundable. There are different areas, different departments in which you can apply. First department is chemistry. There are different research areas in which you have to select the interested one, and maybe you will be required to fill that interested area during online application. Second is civil. Then in that also there are different research areas. Then computer science, electrical. After that next research areas is electrical. After that these all are the facilities they have in their campus: humanity and social sciences, mathematics, then mechanical engineering, then mechanical. After that manufacturing. Last one. After manufacturing, what are the then physics. In physics also they have a research area like astrophysics, experimental biophysics, experimental condensed matter physics. Likewise different areas. These are the facilities. Then sustainability. Two research areas, crop modeling and bioenergy they have, in which you can apply for this PhD program. Eligibility criteria they have given for different research areas. These are intelligent collaborative system. Applicant with exceptional academic record meeting the IIT Palakkad PhD eligibility criteria are encouraged to apply for a PhD admission in TIH ICS at IIT Palakkad under regular categories. Such an applicant, if selected, has to be a full-time scholar at IIT Palakkad and receive a special PhD fellowship from TIH ICS. And these research areas will be like collaborative with IIT Palakkad and TIH ICS. Too many research areas. There are different central research facility like central instrumentation facility, central micro nano fabrication facility they have, central facility for material and manufacturing engineering, high performance computing cluster. Likewise different facilities they have. Financial assistant is as per AICTE MHRD norms. A candidate can apply to more than one department. The maximum number of departments to which he can apply will be 2. Means either you can apply 1 or 2. The minimum eligibility criteria for they have given this MS. If you have a bachelor degree in engineering or technology or master degree in science with valid GATE score, then you can apply for MS program. But for PhD, if you have for PhD in engineering, if you have a master degree in engineering with good academic record, or a master degree by research in engineering or technology with good academic record, then you can apply. But if you have master degree in science, then you must have valid GATE score or UGC, CSIR, NET or NVHM. Like fellowship, the central government is conducted. If you have that, then you can apply for if you have MSc. But if you have a bachelor degree from CFTI and you have a CGPA 8, if you are belong to general category, and if you are belong to ABC non-creamy layer, then 7.5 it is, and 7 for SC/ST and PWD candidate. If you have PhD in science, then in that eligibility is if you have MSc with good academic record and valid GATE score, or GCC, SIR, NET, or NBHM fellowship, then you can apply for this PhD in science. If anyone belong to if any bachelor degree in engineering or BTech candidate from CFTI want to apply for this, then if you must have CGPA 8 for general category, 7.5 for OBC non-creamy layer, and 7 for SC/ST PWD candidate. Institute staff member or research scholar under external registration also can apply. For MS PhD research scholar in this category, the minimum educational qualification are same as prescribed for full-time research scholar. However, valid GATE score or CSIR, UGCGRF or lectureship or NBHM fellowship will be exempted from this. Selection procedure they have given. If you are shortlisted, then you have to submit one SOP with 500 words in PDF format, and you have to submit before 30 May. For candidates who have obtained a master degree 10 years earlier on the last date prescribed for receipt of completed a departmental test will be conducted. The application of foreign national may be considered without a personal interview or test based on the academic record and performance of the candidate in interview and or test. The selection committee will recommend to the chairman senate the names of candidates found suitable for admission. Interview. Due to serious situation that exists in the which makes traveling impossible, interview will be conducted through video conferencing. There would be multiple round of interview or in-person interview if necessary. Reservation of seats will be applicable as per central government policy. Then after the selection, they will verify all the original documents. These all documents they will verify. These all are the fees they have given. These are the one-time fee, 5,700 for MS and 6,200 for PhD. Institute fee they have total 10,200 for hosteler and 10,200 for MS and 10,200 for this PhD. One-time hostel fee 3,500 for both. So there are different type of fees they have in which you can add a total and what you have to pay, that after the selection you have to pay. They also have a refund policy also. If a candidate withdraws his or her admission before official joining date, the amount paid by him or her will be refunded after deducting the administrative charges of 2,000. They have too much library, career development center in which you can check out different things which will be helped in your PhD. These all are the placement record of PhD in 2018, 19, 19, 20 and 2021. They have hostel facility also. So that all are the important things I have mentioned here. So you have good opportunity. If you want to pursue PhD from IIT, you apply there, and if any friends also want to apply, then share with them this video also. And if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe.